Got an earnings alert on KB Home. Shares are on the move in the after hours. Let's get to Diana Olick for the breakdown. Hi, Diana.
Hi, Courtney. Yeah, kind of a split for KB. A beat on EPS, but a miss on revenue. The stock's down about 4% in after hours on that revenue miss. That said, it beat on backlog, which jumped 126% in value from a year ago. CEO Jeff Metzger said in the release, with a backlog value above $4 billion, we are poised to deliver a substantial increase in revenue this year at solid margins that we anticipate will contribute to a return on equity of roughly 20%. And as with other home builders, the price of a KB home is going up 13% higher in Q2. That is slightly less than the 18% jump reported in overall new home prices in May by the U.S. Census today. KB reported net orders up 145% to the highest Q2 reading in 14 years. It also reported an improved cancellation rate from 10% in Q1 to 9% in Q2. Now, going forward for the builders, it's all about labor and supply chain issues. There was a sharp 76% jump in May in the number of homes that were sold but not yet started, according to the census. That shows builders are either delaying starts due to higher costs for materials or due to supply chain delays or labor issues, or really probably all of them. Now, regarding materials, Metzger noted on the analyst call, we are relying on long-standing relationships with contractors and trade partners to mitigate delays. KB also announced it's expanding to Boise, Idaho, which is seeing a huge influx of new residents from California. Court?
That's a very interesting one. Boise, Idaho. I can see not wanting to pay the California taxes, but Idaho. Thank you, Diana.
Sure.
All right, let's trade this one. Mr. Seymour, I want to go to you first. Is KB a name that you want to look at if you're looking at the housing trade? Prices up 13%, but I bet they'll get people to pay him.
No, I tell you what, I first of all, within the home builders, KBH is more of a smaller cap name. I think Lennar is really the name. We've had numbers from them. We've gotten a reaffirmation of an incredible order book. I think the story is affordability for the sector. I think that the home builders have been interest rate sensitive, although as rates have dropped recently, they haven't really picked up the baton. I think demand remains very strong. I think the ability for a lot of folks to afford these homes is very difficult. I think there's a lot of equity that's being built up in existing homes, and I continue to believe that through the home improvement stores, it's a better way to play it. But if I was going to be in the larger home builders, I like Lennar.
What do you make of the KB home story, Guy? Or you want to move to Boise, Idaho?
Boise, Idaho. Let me tell you something. Idaho is beautiful.
I bet it's beautiful.
Outstanding.
Never been there, but I bet it's nice.
Great fishing in Idaho. Not that anybody cares except me, but I will tell you, I'd go to Idaho like that, Dan Nathan, and I would go to KBH as well. Diana gave you the numbers. She's right on the revenue. I think what concerned people is the third quarter guide on revenue. I think that's where the hiccup is. I think you buy the stock, though. I mean, if you look at the backlog, you look at improving margins, I think this stock on the sell-off is worth a look.
Really? I think this sounds exactly how the home builders sounded in like 2006 and 2007, to be very honest with you. And I'll just say, put up the XHB, that's the ETF that tracks the home builders, a lot of retailers, a lot of home improvement thing. Draw a line from March 2020, attach it to the March 2021 low, and you are sitting right on that uptrend. That thing acts like death. Oh, made that reversal. What do you call it? An island reversal up there at 80 bucks, yeah. The XHB guy. I don't like it here. I think it breaks that uptrend, and I think the housing trade is over.
That's what makes markets, Courtney. That's what makes markets. Yes.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.